There were some very exciting new features added in Xojo 2022 Release 1, and today we're going to look at one of them that was added for iOS projects. This is the ability to debug projects on a physical iOS device directly from the Xojo IDE. To find this option, you can look under the Project Run on the menu where you find and select any of the devices that are available as the target of the compiled app for the debugger. In order for an iOS device to show up in that menu, you'll need to use Xcode and select the Devices and Simulators option under the Window menu. You need to make sure that the Show as Run destination is selected for your device. Also, you may need to select the Connect via Network option in case you want to debug on the device via Wi-Fi. In our example here, the device is connected to the Mac via USB, so you will leave this checkbox unselected. Back to the Xojo IDE, we're going to run one of the example projects for iOS that's included with Xojo. And in order to debug it on the device, we need to select the team profile in the inspector panel and also select the development option for the build for section. Once we select our iOS device in the menu, the IDE will compile and copy the resulting app bundle to the device and run it. Additionally, we set a breakpoint before in the project so we can see how it works. So if we tap on the plus button to create a new annotation, we can see how the control goes back to the debugger in the Xojo IDE, where we can use the usual features to step in, see the values in the objects and variables, or simply continue with the normal execution of the app, in this case on the device. So once the app retrieves the normal control of its execution, we can continue creating our new annotation normally. So as you've now seen, debugging your Xojo iOS apps on device is now quite easy and gives us the option to test the features that are not possible to test when the app is debugged in the simulator. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them below and subscribe to our channel so you're notified when new videos are posted.